Here he comes.
I'm going to make a waterfall. Waterfall.
Here goes Michael. There goes Emma.
Okay, girl, focus. Michael, gotta get the other one.
Michael wants to go to the stairs.
Thank you. Can I go get him?
Yeah, go get him. Go rescue Michael. Search and rescue is on her way. Well, not really search, just rescue.
I found him. Are you okay? Okay. Not okay. I'm leaving him. Sweet, sweet. Because I can. Don't jump from there, please. Don't jump from there. Oh, waterfall. Can you jump? Can you jump?
Yeah, he can jump. Jump, Michael, jump.
It's up to you, bud.
1, 2, 3, jump.
Come on, Michael. Here, I'll help. 1, 2, 3.
Yay! 2 jumpers! Good job.